Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace a temperature sensor in your double oven electric range, be sure to shut off the power supply to the outlet or junction box. Pull the range away from the wall so you can access the rear of the appliance. Use a Phillips head screwdriver or a 1/4-inch nut driver to unthread the 2 screws to release the upper rear access panel brace. Next, unthread all of the screws securing the lower rear access panel. Lift the panel up and out to remove. Disconnect the wire connector of the sensor you're replacing. Unthread the mounting screw and you can remove the old sensor. Install the new temperature sensor by inserting it through the hole in the rear panel. Then thread the screw to hold it in place. Connect the wire connector. Replace the support cover if necessary, then reposition the rear access panel. Thread and tighten the screws to secure. Reposition the upper rear access brace and thread the screws to hold it in place. Restore power to the outlet or junction box, and the electric range should be ready for use.